What's up, guys? It's Humby Hit VTech, and we're back with another video. Something special today. If you couldn't already tell by the thumbnail, your boy got a sponsor, and it's Maxpeedingrods, and they are going to be sponsoring my turbo. They sent me the GT3076, and if you watch any of my other videos, you know that I already have a GT3076, but it didn't fit well with my cast top mount manifold, and I'm hoping that this one that Maxpeedingrods sent me will be much better fitment versus the eBay one that I have. So let's get into this box and let's cut it open. Ooh. Right off the bat, we got gaskets and hardware. Now, a couple months ago, we did an unboxing of Ray's Rev 9 turbo, and it came with no gaskets. Brand new turbo. It was like a $300 turbo, no gaskets. All right, we got some foam. Got a lot of foam. We got some shredded foam. Nice packaging. And here we go. Turbo's coming out. Let me get this off of the table. Wow, that's real nice packaging, actually. Oh fuck, that's heavy. Ah. Wrapped in plastic, it's got caps on it. I don't think Ray's turbo even came in plastic, to be honest. Anything else in this box? Oh. Oh, that's it. All right, we'll put this box to the side. We'll get into this plastic. Oh, it's tied. Ooh, this thing is nice. Oh yeah. So it's a T4 flange, or I mean a T3 flange, 4-bolt, 3-inch outlet for the downpipe. And ooh, look at that. Anti-surge compressor housing. Wow, this thing's nice. I can already tell by the drain that this is gonna fit 10 times better than the eBay GT3076 that I have already. So the Maxpeedingrods turbo uses a T4, T6 style drain. And as you can see in the center section, the drain is shifted over closer to the compressor housing. That means it's gonna fit, the drain is gonna fit much better on that cast top mount manifold that I have on the D16. And for the feed, it's threaded. So I can just screw a fitting inside there for the feed. And it also has a oil restrictor. It came with one already from the factory. This is nice. Let's see, shaft play. Wow, there is no shaft play. That's very surprising. In and out, nope. Very, very little, if any. This thing is nice. So big shout outs to Maxpeedingrods for sending me this turbo, sponsoring my build. I really appreciate it. They reached out to me. You know, in all the years I've been using CX Racing, all these other companies, they've never reached out to me. And I've been using a lot of Maxpeedingrods products. I got their coilovers, I got their rods, I got their test pipe, I got a bunch of their products already. So I'm already a fan of their products, and for them to reach out to me and offer to send me a turbo for my build, that's really, really nice of them, and I really appreciate it. So please go to Instagram and give them a follow. Check their products out. I believe it's maxpeedingrods.com. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this turbo. So what do you guys think? Are you guys excited for me to use this turbo? Yay! Perfect. All right, guys, that was the Maxpeedingrods GT3076 turbo that they sent me. I'm really impressed with the center section. It's way different than the one I got from eBay. It has like a T4 style drain and feed. I definitely think it's gonna fit much better on my top mount cast manifold. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys ever ran Maxpeedingrods products, mainly their turbos. That's what they sell a lot of, but I actually have their rods. I got their coilovers, test pipe. I got a bunch of stuff from them. So yeah, I'm really excited to put this on my car. Big shout outs to Maxpeedingrods for sending me this turbo, and I look forward to working with them on other projects. So like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.